So after 8 years of flying drones and nearly flying this one every day this month to try and upload every day, it has fallen out the sky at 100 meters. You can see it's lost its lens there. This one's got the prong on it. This one's been broken off. This cap there's come off the thing. You can see the whole base has been popped open. Don't know if any of that works still. See, these landing prongs have been stuffed. And the footage that I had footage of it coming back, and because as soon as it landed, as soon as it fell, it died. So the footage of it falling is corrupted. And you can see now this battery, it's like, it's going all squishy. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's all squishy and that. So now I need to go through DJI, need to go through their support, and apparently they might replace it. I don't know, because it was a battery communication error. I had the error when I was further away and I came back closer to me, and then it went back up to normal percentage, and then the error came up again for like a split second, and then it just started falling out the sky. So I think the battery must have turned off for like a millisecond, and then it fell to the floor, and luckily it has GPS, so I had to go scavenger hunt and find it. But yeah, so there'll be a bit of a delay on videos, and hopefully can either get this one fixed or pick up another one to continue posting nearly daily. So I failed the month of May videos because of DJI drones falling out the sky.